Mr. van Breda, is the DNA of Rudy and your father on your shorts.
Correct.
And of your mother on your one sock.
Correct.
The clothes that you wore during the incident.
Correct.
As well as your DNA and that of Rudy in the shower, corner of the shower in the boys' room.
Correct.
Your explanation for what I presume you agree with, the blood in the shower, is that you might have cut yourself shaving.
There's no evidence to suspect it was blood. It's presumed to be blood.
My lord,
Yeah, that's exactly what she put to
that
the...
is
No respect to opposites. The blood is found in the shower. It's a fact. That's what she put to it. That's why I'm objecting.
What is it, what?
She said, your explanation for the blood in the shower is this and that. I object, said no, there's evidence it was blood. It's presumed to be blood. That's all I said.
Lord, the witnesses
Okay, just
only.
put the question as Mr. Bertha said, presumed to be blood.
My lord, just for record purpose, I put to the witness that your version, I presume you agree with it, is your blood in the showers because you cut yourself. So I don't understand how Mr. Bertha now is of the view that I didn't put in that it is blood.
But
I will rephrase the question.
The presumption is that it's blood. Okay, if you just submit your question.
I will just
Let's get along.
Mr. van Breda, your explanation for the presence of your DNA in the shower is that you might have cut yourself shaving. Correct?
One of the things, not the only.
Sorry?
I don't think it's necessarily the only explanation. I also don't think it.
See, Mr. van
I said that
Breda,
I did shave in the shower. It was a regular
What are
occurrence.
you saying?
I was saying that it's a regular occurrence for us to shave in the shower.
So you shave while showering?
Sometimes.
If you shave.
you have now amended and said not I shave, but for us to shave in the shower, including Rudy in that.
Yeah, I'm not amending anything. It was never my version that Rudy didn't shave in the shower. I just disagree with her saying that I'm amending my version. But yes, Rudy would also shave in the shower, so would Dad.
Just for the sake of record purposes, Mr. van Breda, any blood that would end up in the bathroom, even if one has regard to stains 33 and 34, just inside the bathroom door. Do you recall what I'm referring to? The two stains just inside the bathroom door, which Captain van der Westhuizen testified on behalf of the state said he does not want to characterize it as shoe prints because he didn't have enough characteristics. Mr. Stale on behalf of the defense said the one he agreed is he cannot say whether it's a shoe print, the other one he was of the view that it's in actual fact a shoe print from Constable Martin.
Yeah, no, that can't be accounted for by shaving in the shower, no.
And if one has regard to the fact that blood can't move on its own volition, it has to be transferred there by way of something or someone. Correct?
Correct.
You must just answer.
Correct?
On your version, the attacker whom you saw never ventured into the bathroom.
Correct.
If it was not blood in the shower, what else could it have been?
What do you mean? In the shower?
Yes.
Well, in the shower, considering it's presumed blood, it could either be blood from us shaving or us touching the walls would leave.
But other than blood, what could it have been?
What do you mean? What could what have been?
You accept it was blood.
No. I'm saying if there was blood in the shower, it would have been from us shaving in the shower.
Blood, what was it?
What is the it that we're referring to, my lord?
the DNA?
Then it was maybe that we've touched that part of the shower recently. I don't know. I can't specifically.
Then, in your version, Mr. van Breda, if I understand correctly, neither the axe Exhibit 1 nor the knife Exhibit 2 was taken into the bathroom after the attack.
Correct.
And if one, as we've already done, excludes the intruder or the attacker, and your family have all been attacked outside in either the bedroom or the passage, it was only you left who could transfer blood from the bedroom into the bathroom.
Respect. That is respect of this prospect that is taken. How can my little colleague as a fact put that to do with it? We know that there were a number of people after the fact on the scene. We know that, for example, from the state's own evidence, that the then investigating officer clearly stepped into blood because he left prints of it inside the bathroom. To put it as a fact, there's no basis for that.
No, it wasn't put to the witness as a fact, it was put
I
to
know
the...
this link is preposterous, but I didn't get the full import of your question either.
It was put as a possibility, my lord. It was never put as a fact. I don't understand how counsel sees my questions as a fact. Secondly, it is not the state's case that that Constable Martin stepped into the bathroom. It was a defense witness who said the print in the bathroom matches.
Okay.
That is hearsay evidence. Captain van der Westhuizen, who testified on behalf of the state, said he would not even classify those marks in the bathroom as shoe prints. But if it will, yeah, it would rather not be sarcastic. Mr. van Breda, the other issue with your version is, except for...
No, do you want an answer to your previous question? To previous question?
The previous question, Mr. van Breda, having excluded the possibility of the intruder transferring blood from the bedroom to the bathroom, excluding the possibility of either Exhibit 1 or 2 transferring the blood from the bedroom to the bathroom, excluding the possibility that any of your other family members could have transferred the blood from the bedroom to the bathroom, that would leave only you as a possible person to have transferred blood from the bedroom to the bathroom.
No, because there were officers that entered the scene between that time and the photos being taken.
When one has regard to the fact, Mr. van Breda, that in Exhibit C before the court, the photographs where you are sitting in the ambulance, and I'm specifically referring only to your torso, upper body, and your arms and your head. Except for the trickles of your own blood on the scratch mark and the superficial stab mark on your left chest, upper chest. There are no other blood spatter or blood smear or blood prints on your body. You agree?
Not that we can see, no.
Sorry?
Not that we can see, no.
Not that you can see this.
Sorry, not that we can see from the photos.
And all of the injuries that we can see on your body in the ambulance, those were all sustained before you had lost consciousness.
Correct, I didn't sustain any injuries after regaining consciousness.
And if I understand blood spatter correctly, Mr. van Breda, it is interesting to note that especially with regards to the superficial stab wound on the torso, The one that, according to you, you sustained when the attacker tried to stab you in your chest or heart or somewhere on the upper part of your body. That appears to have run down straight. Do you agree? If one looks at it?
Relatively straight, yes.
So it didn't change the blood flow, didn't change direction from you having passed out.
Doesn't seem like it, no.
When one has regards to your version of the events, Mr. van Breda, you say that you had struggled with the attacker and managed to, well, it wasn't much of a struggle in any event, but you managed to disarm him of this act, Exhibit 1 before court.
Correct.
At that time, you didn't know it, but we do know now, but at that time, the attacks on all your family members had been over and done with. They were all executed already.
Correct.
And the axe was bloody enough so that when you eventually threw it after the fleeing attacker, there was still enough blood left on that axe to leave a trail on the wall where it hit.
Correct.
If I'm not mistaken, there were also little clumps of hair in the blood that came from the axe.
Okay.
Yet neither when you disarmed the attacker of the axe, nor when you struggled with him in the incident between the two of you, nor when you hit him with the blunt side of the axe, anywhere does any of that blood on the blade or on the axe get onto your upper body.
I don't think that's true.
You don't think it's true?
I don't think we can categorically say that.
Why do you say it's not true?
Because there was a certain blood on my body that Dr. Albertser didn't test, but she noted out loud to Sergeant Adams that she would note a speck of blood and then say this makes sense with this injury and therefore not test it.
Yeah.
So she didn't test all of the little blood spots that were on my body.
So you're saying those little blood spots that she thought was in line with the injuries you sustained, those were actually possibly the blood from the axe?
Yes, but I agree there were no obvious other drops.
Something else, Mr. van Breda, seeing as you were the victim in your version of this incident, how do you explain the bottom of your socks being almost clean with regards to blood?
What's your issue with me not having
Sorry, I
blood on
don't hear
the...
anything. I can't hear you.
I'm struggling to see what the issue is with me not having blood on the bottom of my socks.
You have no problem with you not having blood on the bottom of your socks?
Well, I'm asking you. What are you asking
I'm asking you,
me?
Mr.
What are you asking me to
Do
explain?
you have any way of explaining to the court, even if you're a victim in this matter, how your socks end up not having blood on the bottom there?
I didn't step in blood.
Speaking of that, Mr. van Breda, why do we not see any bloody paw prints of Sasha on the scene?
Because I presume that she also didn't step in blood.
Because in your version, Sasha slept in the house.
Correct.
She was able to physically get up the stairs. She might struggle, but she can get up the stairs.
For 3 out of the 4 weeks a month, yes.
Okay.
Well, again, there was the period of time a month where she was pretty much incapacitated. But
Yeah, but this night.
It's not
Which part of the night was
I
she incapacitated?
can't be sure.
Sorry?
I said as a part of the month, remember, due to her medication.
Oh, the medication.
But you said you couldn't confirm whether the night of 26, 27 January actually fell in that 1 month, 1 week a month that she was incapacitated.
Yes, I can't recall.
And the fact that you didn't carry her up the stairs doesn't mean that anybody else in your family didn't do so either.
Correct.
And in any event, you said that she could climb the stairs, it's just that you happened to observe her at some stage that she struggled, and that's why she was carried up the stairs to be rather safe than sorry.
She would hurt herself.
Yeah.
Yes.
Now, on your version, Mr. van Breda, Sasha's whole family were upstairs in the boys' room, in the passage, and you having lost consciousness on the stairs.
Correct.
Yet we do not see any footprints of Sasha having moved about on that scene at all.
I don't doubt that.
You don't know where Sasha was,
No, I don't.
but she was in the house somewhere.
Yes, she was on our property, definitely.
See, it's not a question of you having shut her in the garage before you went to attack the family.
No.
That would account for her not barking at all strange people in her house in the middle of the night, as well as her not once even trying to find out where everyone was.
I disagree with that.
Well, that statement as a content does not make sense at all. My little colleague to one part suggesting that the accused, my client, is the attacker, and he then locked.
All right, we're carrying those proceedings live for you from the Cape Town High Court, where triple murder accused Henri van Breda is on the stand again.